This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Hot preseason promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below. Morning, guys. It is January 22nd, 2019. This one here, I got a call for a furnace on the second floor tripping the breaker. She says she resets the breaker, it runs for 8 minutes and trips the breaker again. So probably a bad blower motor or fan. The blower fan motor is probably bad if it's a gas furnace. I know it's a gas furnace up there. Either that or, the breaker's bad. We'll see when we get there. Go up there and see put it on fan, see if the fan's working. I have to get my ladder out because it's kind of like on a second floor access port. I've been there before. Old systems. I think there's a Goodman in there. Goodman's. I'm not sure. But what time is it now? About 12 o'clock. Lunchtime. Needs a blower motor. I'm gonna have to run out to get that. I ain't, probably don't have that in the truck. We'll see. Turkeys. What the fuck? It's a Bryant rear flue. Oh, that's going to be a tough one to get the fan out. Oh, man. Great. Oh, fan's spinning. I have to check that capacitor. Turn the power off. Boy, not an easy one to get to, that's for sure. What should it be? It should be a 5. We'll pull one leg off and we'll check it, see what it is. See what the microfarads are on it. It was 6.1, so that's fine. That's fine. We'll put that back together and we'll run it and we'll see what it does. And check the breaker downstairs too when something's tripping it. It should be a 110 motor there. We'll see what we're getting for. I'm gonna go flick the breaker on and see what's going on with it.
I just talked to her again. She says she went down there and flicked it, and then it would run for a couple of minutes and then shut off. So it might be an igniter that's bad. Or a flame sensor, maybe. Igniter don't look too bad there. Let's fire it up. Vacuum switch, 26 volts there, 26 volts there. We got volts at the vacuum switch. Could be the igniter's bad. Maybe this is bad. It's starting to glow there now. Run for 8 minutes and then shut off. Should probably clean that flame sensor. V-vent. Oh, it might all be frozen up there. It's been so flippin' cold out. Fan's working. That's why when she called me, she said that the thing would run for 8 minutes and she had to go trip the breaker. Well, she went down there manually, switched the breaker on and off. It never tripped, she said. Now we'll see. How dirty the filter is in there. That might be what the problem is. Might be going off on limit. It's probably frozen. Look at all that. See that's dripping down from the top? It's probably frozen chosen, mama. Betcha. It was so flipping cold out. 3 degrees yesterday. Should be able to pull this out because I got the door open, right? I want to shut it off right now, to be honest with you. Yeah, ain't too bad. Yeah, ain't too bad. Plaster on it or something. I wonder if she's got any more. She must have been doing some sanding in there. Ain't the greatest. See if she's got any more. Just vacuumed the filter. It'll be alright. It was all full of white dust. Put it back in for now. She don't have any more. She don't have any more. I'm gonna clean the flame sensor. I think what might have been was where it goes up through might have iced up. You see all this water? And it was dripping. I mean, it's been so flipping cold. She's still running. The fan's still spinning. Flame sensor was bad, it would have shut off right away. Good teaching, Mama. Good teaching. We'll clean the flame sensor while I'm here. Fire it back up. I turned down the thermostat to clean the flame sensor. That might have been one of the raw switches that was tripped because I did push them all in when I got here. That's a possibility. Yeah, she looks clean, but we'll clean it while we're here. I might have cleaned that before all the time, but don't hurt. Give it a cleaning. We'll put the doors back on it and we'll run it. As long as she's got heat, that's all that matters. Mystery problem. Could have been that filter. I mean, not heating the house. The filter was blocked. Put the covers back on this thing. It's a Bryant. Alright, clean flame sensor, cleaned air filter. Would be nice to get new ones, but I vacuumed it for now. Reset rollout switches. She's running. She's running and the fan's working. I did check the capacitor was fine. So this is a rear flow, kind of an odd beast. The return, supply, and then it's a rear flow out the chimney. I don't know what the hell kind of vent this is. Dawn Park Incorporated. Kind of weird looking B vent. Alright, so we set it at 70. It's probably just that filter that was dirty up there. Alright guys, I just left that job. A couple of things it could have been. It could have been that that fan filter that was really blocked. I mean, she might not have been getting a good flow. She was complaining. Don't forget, it was 3 degrees yesterday. Well, it might have been that filter that was blocked. There is a possibility where the exhaust went up through the roof, that it froze, you know, because it was so cold out and that hot air, and they get condensation, because there was quite a bit of water that seemed to come out of the bottom of that pipe, that riser pipe. So that is possible that it did freeze going up through the B vent. Most likely not, but I'm not ruling that out. The rollout switches, when I first went there, she said it was tripping the breaker, so I checked the fan right away, checked the capacitor. But then after I talked to her again, she says it physically never tripped. She would go down there after 8 minutes and reset it off, and then the furnace would come back on again. So for some reason, the furnace wasn't firing up. So I did clean the flame sensor when I was there. I ran it through its cycles, and it seemed to work fine. So we're gonna let it go to let it ride, and it's an older system. And if it goes out again, we'll get into it deeper. I mean, that's usually what I tell these people. I go through it, give it the once over, and if it's running, sometimes you got to go back more than one time. I mean, it's just how it is. Nothing's carved in stone. You do what you think you should and move on to the next job. Just how it is. She thought you were a cute little dog, Miss Molly. Yeah, she thought you were a cutie pie. Oh, yeah, she did. She thought you were a cutie pie. Everybody wants my Miss Molly. Oh, yeah, everybody wants you.